Hello and welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be working on this gateway that popped in the last video, but I don't know what popped because everything works perfectly okay. And right now, we're setting up Windows 7, so it's just...
It needs cooling, that's what it needs.
What do you want to name it? Just gateway?
User PC.
User PC, okay.
That's what I normally do. I'm not going to sell it. I don't think I can.
I mean, you can try.
I'm going to sell it with a lot of computers I don't like. Sell it with this median, that. $50.
Hard drive makes some nice noises. Password, don't care. Product key. Sure.
120 days is like what?
3 months. And then let's go Eastern. Where's Eastern? Yeah, they didn't think of anything. Alright, so, you know, you're gonna have a fun time trying to find video drivers or a card that's this old. You're gonna have a fun time. You don't even know what it is. That's the best part.
I'm just gonna throw that in a lot. I'm just gonna rip the hard drive out. I take the hard drive out, throw it in a lot of a couple other computers and sell it for parts.
Although if you're gonna sell this, you might want to put that in there or something.
Untested.
Great.
Untested, not working. Or I could just take that out.
Yeah, I guess you could.
Oh my god, it actually freaking booted.
Alright, so what we're gonna do...
Sad. Benchmarks.
No.
Why does it load kind of quick? That's dumb.
What?
Never mind.
Here, go into device manager.
Alright, what do we got? How much on?
1 gig.
1 gig, 32
4.
bit. Pentium 4. That's probably the first time we got 7 Pentium.
Maybe. So there were no drivers for Windows 7, so we're just gonna here try the Windows XP drivers. Why is the DVD drive spinning up when it's from a USB drive? But it's getting it from the USB drive. Quality. I accept. Yes.
It's actually in a video card.
Yeah. I'm just hoping I chose the right one. Operating system that you can code. This set program is associated with that run on Windows station. Okay.
Hold.
What? Okay.
I have 2 other ones. That one and that one that need drivers.
Alright, so this computer works, it's pretty cool, so let's move on to the next one. So the next computer is this. This is an Optiplex 390. It's pretty cool. DVD drive stuck.
Excuse me.
There it is.
It used to work and now it doesn't apparently. Well, I have to replace it.
That's okay. I know you have like 8 replacements.
It just like did a... Listen. It snapped, I think, somewhere. I might want to just replace it because it sounds bad.
That sounds okay. So it's Optiplex 390 in the back. It's pretty cool. It's nearly silent compared to this fan right here.
Not to this.
Okay.
Not silent, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Pretty simple. Like, that's
pretty
ordinary
simple.
PC. Here, we gotta give it a nice air. There. 250 gig.
Yeah. So we're installing drivers on it, and
actually half of this school year, about 3/4 of this school year, was on this PC, and wholly last year, and I believe the year before was on this PC.
Okay. So
how to install drivers?
How to install drivers is content. Okay. Find product key. Why do you have a script file that's called find product key?
Did I already do this? Because that looks pretty familiar. I might have already done this. Or no, I think I stopped halfway through.
I just want to see something real quick. Okay, this keyboard. I just want to see if it's already installed or if it's just using Windows drivers.
No, it's not, because this is supposed to work for dual monitors, and it didn't work for dual. Doesn't work, Chief.
Chief, hold on.
Hey, Chief.
It says it's already installed, but
Yeah, I probably reinstalled it.
Go-
Oh, we gotta grab
that's
another-
okay.
Well, we'll grab a second monitor that can be
Well, we have about 10 monitors over here. The drivers are already installed, so we don't need that. So, I don't think you need to put drivers on this thing now.
Well, no, I did. I just put drivers on it. It legit
Oh.
finished. Because this converter is not, it's not DVI to 2 DVI, it's a,
You want to run some benchmarks?
I'm not gonna be solving this one, no.
Why? Oh. See,
I've opened this at least a million times. Because it was just sitting upstairs and I got in the world.
Alright, so this thing's all set up and ready to go for resale, so let's move on to the next one. So the next computer we're going to be working on is this, an XPS 410, which you probably saw in the last video if I decided to upload it, but the XPS 410 with a Core 2 Duo and some sort of video card that I have sitting somewhere. Where did I even put it? Anyways, so let's just take a quick look inside of an awfully short Dell 375 watt power supply, and then we have two DVD drives, I have a card reader, and then we have this humongous heat sink, which is a little bit dusty, but that's okay. And then down here is where the video card goes. So I'm gonna install the video card.
Well, actually, we need to find out what video card this we can get drivers.
Right. And I would guess that this is a 7600 maybe GT.
Okay.
So I'm gonna yell. So let's see. So we should, knowing from my
Slam!
incredible experience in the past, or I mean lack thereof.
Pinch them together.
Pinch. Ah. You know what? I'm very experienced. So we have this graphics card right here. So let's see. We need to remove this.
Here you go, Chief. I thought you wouldn't get.
Maybe you get nice, steady. Make sure it's in the slot and push it. Perfect. And then this is, I guess, to hold the card down. Well, it doesn't really do a good job. And then line this up. Ooh, good crunch. So, graphics card should be installed now.
No.
Oh, power. Yeah, right. I knew that. It's right here. Let's see.
That should be good for a really low budget power supply.
How am I gonna get this to move? It was like it was designed for it.
It was.
Oops. No, it's okay. There. So now the video card's installed. So let's I guess plug it in and turn it on. Let's turn this thing on.
Wait for it. Oh, here it is. It's not on yet. You'll hear it as soon as it turns on. And I just press the button, go ahead.
Okay.
That's what it does. It revs constantly. Yeah, they work.
Beautiful.
Hey, Tiffany, they both work. Yeah, see my battery's dying as well. I think I have to restart because it booted and it didn't. It just runs. It
Why?
doesn't stop run.
I killed the fan. Never mind.
It doesn't stop. But you feel his chips after like a few seconds. Like I could actually SLI with them.
Yeah, you can.
No crossfire.
So, looking online, it seems to be a GeForce 7900 GS. I thought it was a 7600 GT, so that might actually be a slight upgrade. So
Yeah,
it's
it might-
GeForce.
Oh, you should hear it whenever it's on. That's why I want the drivers, because it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop going.
GeForce.
Boot it up for you.
GeForce, sure.
And even with the side panel on, it's oh my god, this thing's gonna be so heavy.
What operating system are you putting on it?
10. It already has it on it.
Okay, well, it doesn't have any drivers for 10, but we could try 7 drivers.
Oh, great.
64-bit?
That's 10, 64-bit Pro.
Okay. Let's see what other drivers are missing besides. Device.
Actually, we do that, I'm gonna take the power supply out.
This?
Oh, yes.
Oh, the gateway. Yeah, because that thing's completely dead.
It's dead. I don't want it. How does it come out? Oh, I think it clips.
Yeah, I think. See, the nice thing about those gateways is that they're all like basically toolless.
I think that we've been opening this like constantly, because now it opens so easy.
It says yeah, okay.
How does this work?
There's a Core 2 Duo E6400 in it. That's the same CPU that Optiplex I gave you had.
You mean the little 457?
What? 745. This big thing.
745.
The big thing.
Actually, technically, it's in that little one next to the monitor. Now, I did the little swap.
Alright, so let's
How is this supposed to
unplug
work?
this.
It's still.
Bum. And then I guess we just plug it in the back.
Are you sure you put it on the drive?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that was good. Came right on out. There is a artist.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I might still.
You know what? I don't think I did. Boom. I never hit download. Very intelligent. Yes. My graphics card's pretty loud.
That's why I'm lighter. Because I can.
Another thing, after you install drivers, you can do Afterburner to control the fan speed of the video card.
You think we could do that?
Yeah.
And then uninstall Afterburner?
No, you have to keep it installed for it to work. But I don't think it'd be a bad thing if you sold it with Afterburner.
Yeah, I'll tell them. I'll be like, if you do it without the company, it's running out. You want everybody loves to do so?
No. Alright, this is finally done.
Are these all like fancy?
309.8.
That's my second time taking apart a power supply. Do you think I can get electric?
Why are you taking apart a power supply?
Because I want the fan.
You want the fan?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, oh, you know what? I was about to say maybe that one pop, but that wasn't even plugged in.
What?
That power supply you're taking apart. I was about to say that could have popped, but more than even.
No, because there's still a charge in there. I hope there's not a charge in it when I'm continuing apart.
So that's the inside of a power supply. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's actually really basic.
Why did I get the fan out? It's a two-pronger. It's a two-pronger fan. That makes sense. Now I got fan screws.
Let's just watch this. This is beautiful.
I don't want to touch it.
I'm just waiting for my phone to run out of storage, because I know what's going to happen. Alright. So now that this is done doing its thing.
I'm going to put the cover back on top. What is this? Zip tied? It's zip tied to it.
Okay. Where's this thing getting audio from? Is it getting from the monitor?
What?
Oh, the SPDIF. Because in the corner it says that there's audio coming from something, but it doesn't make any noise.
Trigger doesn't have a speaker in it.
Cool. Do you want me to do that so you just mess around with it? Or are you good? Okay.
I wonder if I can actually work this zip tie.
Alright, let's install driver.
I tried to stab myself. That really hurt. Ow. It was like right where my nail meets my skin. This
Oh yeah,
skin.
speaking of, do you want to see my deformed fingernail?
No.
It's beautiful.
Chico, no.
Probably can't even see it, but it's probably for the best.
I'm gonna just pull really hard and hopefully it'll snap. Why do you do this?
Why did you do this?
Why does this have to be like this?
Alright,
Why
you know
does
what?
this fan have to be stuck to a retarded
I'm just
thing?
gonna set it down. Let me try to set the tripod down. So about 20 minutes later of struggling, finally got a benchmark to work. For some reason, Cinebench wouldn't install correctly for whatever reason, and the only benchmark I get to work is user benchmark. But real quick, I'm just gonna have MSI Afterburner open just to see how hot the video card gets while we're doing this, because it idles at 50 degrees, so it definitely needs a thermal paste change.
I'm betting that it's gonna at least get to 70.
Alright, so I gave it a slight overclock, so
Are you serious?
yeah. Here, I just gave it a little bit more. There we go. So now it's running at core clock of 511 megahertz and a memory clock of 725. So let's run this benchmark and see how well it does. So this is the test after it has been done. So in gaming it gets 11%.
You sweat.
In desktop it gets 20%, in workstation it gets 13%. So the only thing good about this computer apparently is the status, the memory, and the version of Windows. Processor sucks, graphics card sucks, and boot drive sucks. So, well, at least we have one of the average performing Core 2 Duos, at least. And RAM.
Don't worry about it, Chief.
What did you just do? Okay. So everything seems to be performing about average. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely leave a like and subscribe. And,
I love you.
yeah, he loves us. So, yeah, I think that's about it for this video, for us looking at 3 different computers. We first looked at this.
2 more.
This computer is a gateway right here, and then we looked at
Sneak peek behind
this Optiplex 390, and then this is the video going to be
Upcoming
next.
video in like 2
It's going to
seconds.
be an Inspiron, where apparently he rips out the motherboard, so that's going to be fun.
Some other ones.
So we looked at that game, we looked at this Optiplex 390, and a piece of Lego, and this Dell XPS 410, which I would probably never own unless if I pay him big bucks. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!